Hello there, my name is Sam Scrollo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now guys and girls, in this video we're going to talk about this bloodbath of a price action in Bitcoin. It's collapsing together with all the other coins. Ethereum is just going out of control, absolutely hitting like $1,250 per Ethereum, which is absolutely crazy. And when you go to Ethereum, and I'm going to try to do a separate video on Ethereum today, you will see that currently we are hitting the previous, we broke the previous all-time high in Ethereum, which is absolutely incredible. So these are the prices from the previous cycle at this point, so which actually means a great place to accumulate. And I'm going to be buying some altcoins today and some Ethereum as well. I'm going to be buying Solana, Cardano, Chainlink, Atom, BNB, some Bitcoin, also Ethereum, and a bunch of other cool tokens, XRP, because these prices are just unbelievable. But let me know down in the comments if I should do a separate video on the altcoins I'm going to be buying today. But it's all the same list, but I decided to maybe, if you haven't seen it, I could make it for you once again. Now, let's get back to Bitcoin and let's talk about the price targets, what's possible and what's going on and what is happening right now and what you can expect from Bitcoin in a short-term perspective as well as a long-term perspective. I'm going to show you a few interesting charts and we're just going to talk about what's going to happen next. So if you're brand new to the channel, please smash up that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. And without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. Yes, guys and girls, if you remember, then there is a link to my Telegram channel down in the description of this video. Very useful channel where I oftentimes post all of my moves in the market, and it's also a great trading community, so go join it right now. And we certainly are, I have to remind you that later today, I'm gonna do this huge giveaway. I'm gonna be selecting 8 winners, and it's going to be a $10,000 giveaway. I'm going to give away some of my famous trading education, as well as I'm going to be tripling a trading account and doubling 2 trading accounts. So, and other bunch of other really cool stuff. I'm going to link this giveaway somewhere up here so you can check it out. And it's your chance, last chance to join it right now. The only way to join it, the only thing you have to have is you have to use my link to Bybit down in the description of this video or in the pinned comment to sign up with Bybit. And then you need to make an initial deposit, so get ready for trading, and I will see all those accounts that use my link to sign up with Bybit and deposit money into them, and from those accounts I'm going to be selecting those random winners. But remember that you will also get up to $4,100 in bonuses on top of your initial deposit, just because you used my link, and also for 30 days 0% maker fees. And lastly, you'll be able to participate in this insane $8 million trading competition, WSOT, with NFT giveaways, cool spins, lottery, etc. And if you join my squad, you'll be able to get 3 spins instead of 1 spin in the lottery of giveaway of mutant apes, clone X NFTs, etc. And also, if we're gonna win, and I have a good feeling because we have a big team already, we can win a huge prizes here. So join my squad right now as well, link in the description or in the pinned comment. Okay, so we got this out of the way right now. If we're gonna see an insane sell-off. So remember, guys and girls, we went into a short trade right here, and all the way down, it's an insane move. Right from the entry, when I told you I'm getting into a short trade, we went down in Bitcoin 17%. Now, my short trade, if you're gonna ask me, then my short trade is closed. So I've taken my profit this night. So huge profit, but it could have been a bigger profit. But nonetheless, I really, to be honest, I'll be honest with you, I expected some kind of slowdowns at 25K, maybe, some kind of a rebound, retest of this 27 area, and then potentially enter into another short trade or some kind of slowdown somewhere. And it just didn't happen. It just is a rainfall. So it looks like capitulation. So, but it still is nice. Again, we've hit all the targets we wanted. So it's insane. It's amazing. So congratulations for all of those of you who have taken the short trade with me, and we've made a lot of money. So booyah. Call me Mr. Spot On down in the comments, because unlike other YouTubers, I'm actually making money for you guys. So, okay, now most importantly, for the targets and what we can expect, we really have to go to this chart right here. And this is going to be a very important chart, because you'll remember this is the historical, this is the one that I've always been using. And to be honest, I thought that this is going to show us exactly where our bottom is. And certainly, I guess, as you might remember, that below these blue and green line, the only time we went below was here in 2015 and then during the COVID crash. And now we are also seeing the price going below it. Look at it right here. So we're breaking this blue line, and we're also, well, we've already broken this purple one, which was this falling wedge right here. And the reason why we did, and again, as I said before, that's why you're watching my videos from the beginning and until the goddamn end if you want to get anything out of it. If you're going to be watching half of my video, just toss it out the video, unsubscribe, and don't watch my videos. So in this instance, as I said, the decision on whether it's going to be the bottom or not is going to lay on the inflation and what the Fed is going to be doing. Since we're seeing terrible inflation, Fed is going to be definitely tightening the policy even more, which is going to send the economy into a recession. If you haven't seen my previous video that I've done, it's very, very important. So I'll link it somewhere up here. Check it out. And so what Bitcoin is currently doing, it's pricing in a recession. So what it means is that the price really wants to capitulate, so to speak, and to prepare for what's to come, so to speak. So it's always, you have to buy on a rumor and then sell on the news. So basically, we are not in technical recession yet, but of course, we are already factually in a recession. So that's what Bitcoin is currently pricing in. And the big question is, how deep can we go? So from the COVID situation, we broke down extra 44%. Now, in this instance, if we're going to break down extra 44% or so, that's going to put the price of Bitcoin at about $15,000, guys and girls. Yes, very sad, very sad. And of course, and then later we could say that this was the COVID crash and this was the huge 2022 recession. So we had so many terrible things happen here: war, hunger, shortage of food, inflation, the depegging of UST, and now recession. Jesus Christ, it's just beating all the high-risk assets, beating them with an incredible, huge, super heavy club with nails. So now also, where do I see a rebound a little bit? So I think that the rebound will come in right here. So I think that we're going to definitely see some kind of, I'm not necessarily saying this is going to be the bottom, because with the current situation and everything is happening, remember Wednesday at 4:30, I believe, or 2:30 Eastern time will be the Fed meeting, and we are specific because we already know about the interest rates, right? So it's going to be 50 basis points most likely. So we're really interested in what the what Jerome Powell is going to say in his closing remarks. So in this instance, I'm not really sure that this is going to be the bottom, but this certainly is going to be the area of short-term bounce. And also, I think that the area of short-term bounce could be our realized Bitcoin price, 23,600, which is coming in hot right now, 23,600. Let's find it approximately. So whatever, somewhere in this area. So this is going to be the average realized price of Bitcoin, which has been an important support for us always. However, we've always, during the bear markets, we always traded below it. So for that reason, and understanding that we oftentimes actually go below the 200-week moving average, and with everything we are seeing in the market right now, I would definitely see a retest of at least 20K, unfortunately, right? So because of how bad the inflation is, and the Federal Reserve is going to definitely drive us into a recession. So, but what does this mean? This means that this is an incredible opportunity, guys and girls. Even though I'm suffering myself, I have a lot of Bitcoin, I have a lot of Ethereum, I have a lot of Solana. Jesus! But, well, what can we do? We can only dollar cost average into it, and that's just what it is. And yeah, so I'm thinking that this area right here is going to be our main support area. And then, of course, we're going to potentially dip lower somewhere in this vicinity for some liquidity, maybe. But this is going to be this, if you're still in the short trade, I would be taking some of the profits here for sure, because this is going to be area of some bounces, in my personal opinion. So let me know down in the comments if you agree with me, if you disagree with me, and remember about the giveaway. Join Bybit right now to support the channel as well. And as always, peace and love. Thomas Krallo. I'll do another video today, probably a bit later, because maybe a more detailed one, because I have to run to a meeting. And also, I'm going to make a separate video on the giveaway, so participate in it right now. All right, I'll see you soon.